actually taking the car over right now to go and get it dynoed. I've had a lot of people ask me what it's making now. Originally it was making 192 horsepower and 222 pound-feet of torque. So I'm pretty excited to see what the supercharger adds to it. We did that about 8 months ago now. So we're gonna head down there, and I'm hoping for around 350 horsepower and around 300 pound-feet of torque. So just got back from the dyno event. My car ended up dynoing 331 horsepower, which is only about 19 horsepower less than what I wanted, and then it did 273 pound-feet, again, which is about 20 some odd less than what I was hoping for. What's really cool about the dyno results is where the torque sits. It comes up to about 250 pound-feet of torque and sits there through the entire rev range, which means no matter what gear you're in, no matter what RPM you're at, you're gonna have basically your maximum output of torque for the most part. And what's nice about that is at autocross, you want that low end torque. Overall with this kit, I'm extremely impressed with it. The horsepower output is extremely linear, it's easy to control. Even when the car gets a little bit loose, it's extremely predictable. You can bring the car back, and I absolutely love this kit. I would recommend it, and I wouldn't choose anything else if I had the choice to do it again.